In this video, we will learn how to open a Shopify store. Let's get started. Here I am on the Shopify website. To open a store, go over there and click Start Free Trial. Describe your business need. I will go with I am just starting, and next. Choose places where you want to sell online. I will go with an online store, and then next. Pick an option that best describes your selling plan. I will help to win your store stock. You can choose any one that is best for your business. I will go with I will decide later, and next. Choose your business location. In this last step, create a Shopify ID. I will go with a Google account. It will take a few seconds to complete validation. Generate your credentials. And then build your store. Here is my Shopify account. First of all, go to Settings. Here in Store Details, click on Edit. Here enter store name, phone number, and store email, and then click on Save Changes. In billing information, add the business's legal name, country, address, city, and postal code. Change store currency, time zone, and measuring units. Once you are all done, click on Save. Now, move on to plan details. You can see that I am using the free trial for 5 days. You can choose a plan from here. Shopify offers basic, Shopify, and advanced plans. You can check all the features and offers in these plans. Let's go back. Go to Billing Details. Here, add your billing details for purchases and bills in Shopify. You can check your selected plan, pay bills, and credit. Move on payments. Here you can choose a payment provider. Here search any third-party account and enter account details. From here, you can choose any payment method. You can also explore supported payment methods, manual payment, and payment customizations. Let's go back. Now go to the left bar and click on Online Store. Scroll down and click on Customize. Here we are in Shopify Store Builder. On the left side, you can see the announcement bar option. I will delete this section. Go to the header section. Here choose the desktop position. Top left, top center, middle left, and middle center. Click over here to add a menu page. Here you can see, I have Home, Catalog, and Contact in the menu. Click on Add Menu Item. Enter Blog. Here you can add a link, and click on Add. You can see that the blog page is added. You can edit from here, and change the menu name from here. Let's go back. You can choose a menu type. Color scheme, country, or region, select language and add spaces to the header section from here. Go back. You can add a block or section to the header from here. In the template section, choose the image banner. You can select images or explore free images. I will explore free images. Go to Shop locally. Choose an image. And click on Select. You can add another image from here as I did. You can adjust image overlay opacity, banner height, and desktop content position. From here you can add image behavior. You can see, the image starts moving. Go back. Here go to the text section and select text. You can change the heading size. Add styling to the text from here. In button, you can change the button label. Add button link to store page. In the featured collection, you can add a heading. Change size and description as well. Let's go back and add a new section. I will add a featured product. Click over here. On the left side, you can see the Select Product option. Click over here. I didn't add any product, so click on Create Product. Here enter product title. I will generate a description with its AI tool. Here enter the title and click on GeneRat. In the suggestion, you can see that a description is generated. Click on Keep. In Media, upload photos. Enter product price. Enter quantity and shop location. Shipping and weight. Variants of products. Once you are all done, click on Save. Now go back. Refresh page. You can see the product is here. Click on the product and go to Select. Let's add another section. I will add an image with text. Click over here. Explore free images. Choose an image and click on Select. Change heading style and size. Now, let's go to the footer section. Here you can add email sign-up forms, social media icons, payment methods, and policy links. In theme settings, you can change the logo, store color, typography, layout, animations, buttons, variant pills, inputs, product cards, collections, and more. In App Embeds, click on View Apps. You can explore Shopify Ad and integrate to increase store functionality. From here, choose a business location. Here you can see Add Store Pages. You can see the preview on the desktop, mobile device, and on full screen. Once you are all done, click on Save. Let's go back. If you scroll down, here you can see custom templates. Close this pop-up and click on Visit Theme Store. Here you can explore themes of various categories and styles. This is how you can open a Shopify store. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.